Hi, my name is Jeevan Raghupathi, and today I'll be showing you how to make homemade butter. It's much easier than you might think. You'll need 3 cups of heavy cream, 5 tablespoons of ice water, and a cheesecloth or tea towel. Or you can use your hands for this part. Let's get started. First, we're gonna start out by whipping our heavy cream for 4 minutes. Once you know it's done, you'll see big yellow buttery solids. So right now, after whipping, this is what your butter should look like. I know, so buttery, right? The tiny bit of liquid that you see here is actually buttermilk, and it works just like regular buttermilk, and that's the next part of this recipe, draining the buttermilk so that it looks like butter. Now, we're going to pour in our ice cold water. You make this by putting ice in water and chilling it for as long as possible in the fridge. And we're going to add about 5 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And whip. Place a mesh strainer over another bowl, and then pour in the contents of butter that you have just beautifully made, and pour and dump and dump. I'll grab a spatula if it's a little stuck here. We just dumping it in. Now, as you put the butter into the strainer, you want to take a cheese towel, or as some people call it, a tea towel, or a cheesecloth. Put it over the butter after you've let it drain as much as you can. Now take it in the towel. Make sure you're getting all of it and really just nicely scooping it gently in the towel. Now that we've got all the butter in this nice towel wrap, we're going to squeeze all of that extra buttermilk out. So I went ahead and put this butter into a nice butter dish after I drained mostly all the buttermilk. Well, everything I could, of course. And now I'm going to nicely spread it out, making sure that it's nice and even. Now that all of our butter has been smoothed out, you can add whatever flavorings you desire. Some people like salt to make salted butter. Other people could go with something to make like a jam or a fruit flavor. It really depends on your preference. Thank you to Bigger Bolder Baking for providing the recipe for this video of how to make awesome, super good butter. Thanks for watching, and you can go check that same website out at biggerbolderbaking.com. Bye!